Hi everybody, welcome back. Today's session is a combination movement. We're going to be using our horse stance. So think about your posture, lifting up through the crown, keeping everything relaxed and pulling belly button through to spine. When we sink down into our horse stance, we want to tuck our tailbone under or down. We don't want to stick our bottom out. We want to really sink that energy into the floor. Let's start with balancing the chi, breathing in and breathing out, adding that knee bend into our horse stance, keeping it slow, controlled, nice and rhythmic, and really connecting mind to body, focusing on the moving hands and just enjoying the movement. I'm taking my feet wider to sink into a deeper horse stance. Really feel that energy moving and sinking that body weight into the floor. For an extra challenge, I'm going to stay sat in my horse stance. This is a really great leg strengthening exercise for seniors, anyone over 50 and 60. We want to really keep hold of that core and leg strength. It's going to help us in our everyday activities. Okay, so first movement, bringing my hands to the hips. I'm sliding over to side bow and bringing one hand up. So feel that movement like we're pushing our hand out to the side and extending it upwards and following it with our eye line. Let's repeat that on the other side. Same again, but this time sweeping the other hand across, palm to elbow, turning the waist to power this movement across, keeping it fluid, keeping it continuous, and like we are pushing our hand through water. Adding that natural resistance is going to help really make more of this movement. Moving on, we're going to take that starting position, turn that front hand, and then feel the push across to the other side. My weight is transferring from side bow through to horse stance and across to side bow. And I want to feel the energy between the two hands as I am pushing them across from side to side. See that my body is moving and turning as well. So it's a full body movement, and like I say, great for strengthening the legs here as we're holding that knee bend. Ooh, let's just give ourselves a little shake off. Okay, so we're going to combine those into a lovely movement. Let's reset into our opening position. We're taking our hands up and we're going to slide across, sweeping that hand across, and then we're going to push the hands. Taking that back hand to our stop sign and bringing our other hand back to the starting position. Then we can repeat on the other side. So we've been practicing this in our in-person lessons, and I think it really is one that you can connect mind to body and feel that flow. So really absorb yourself into the movement and enjoy. We're going to repeat it a few times. Let's breathe in and breathe out, just releasing those legs. Let's release and relax and shake that all off again, and we're going to reset and repeat it all again. So like I say, a lovely combination, fantastic for improving your leg strength and just really getting into the flow. Enjoy it. And then breathing in. So I do hope you've been enjoying these sessions with me. If you have, do remember to like this session on YouTube, because it really does help my channel and it just gives me some feedback so that I know you're enjoying all these sessions, and it helps me plan new content for you. So let's keep moving together. Let's keep enjoying our Tai Chi together. And let's finish off with a little stretch out of those legs. They've done a lot of work today, so get yourselves into a nice front lunge. Remember that stretch through the back and keeping that knee on top of the ankle on the front leg here. I'm just going to really reach up and extend and stretch out. Breathing in as we stretch and breathing out as the hands are coming down. Let's repeat that on the other side. So like I say, that front leg, we want the knee over the ankle, and the back leg, we want to feel that stretch all the way through the back. Breathing in and breathing out, and breathing in and breathing out. And the final time. And let's take a few big deep breaths in. Really expand the lungs and chest. Get a really big deep breath in. So thanks for watching the channel and enjoying these sessions with me. Again, remember to like and remember to subscribe. I'll see you soon.